Guys, what's up? So as promised, today I'm gonna do first impressions of the Skinella products that I got in my PR kit. I might look really tired and bad because it's 10 o'clock in the night and I'm back from work and I am absolutely tired and drained out. But never mind, let's just dive into the video. And yeah, so I have 4. I can see 4 products. Two of these are the face scrub, and one is a face mask, and the last product is a body butter. So I am first gonna start with the body butter. Okay, so this is how the body butter looks like. It is the Skinella Milky Rose Body Butter. I love the packaging, and let's just open it. So it has got this really nice lid. Okay, this one is tough. Ooh. It's amazing. The fragrance is amazing. If you are somebody who loves that rosy, fruity fragrance, this one is really good. Amazing. I'm gonna try this. By the way, I have a very dry, not very, but I'm somebody who has normal to dry skin, so yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. Talking about the texture, it's nice. It's not very oily, so if you are somebody who has very dry skin, it might not work for you, but it's fine. Like, you cannot see the glow and the shine which most of the body lotions or body butter kind of gives you, but yeah, it's fine. If you're somebody who's like me, who has normal to dry skin, I think this body butter would suit you. But if you're somebody who has really dry skin, don't go for it, because obviously it won't help you. Also, if you're somebody who's looking for a nice glow after applying that lotion or body butter on your skin, so yeah, not really, but then it smells amazing and I think it will work for my skin. For the next 3 products, I'm gonna dye my hair. It's the Kiwi scrub. I'm gonna try it also. So I've just sprinkled some rose water and just kind of clean my face, not my lips, because the lipstick won't go with rose water. So this one is the Kiwi scrub. I don't know if you can see. Taken very little amount of it. Okay, so it's nice and gentle on the skin, like the beads are not very harsh. Okay, so the beads are not very harsh and they're soft. And nice, I believe. Okay, so I have mixed reviews, like it's nice, it's soft, but again, people with large open pores won't feel very good about this scrub, because again the beads are quite soft, so it might not help you getting rid of the blackheads and the whiteheads, but yeah, I mean, but I think yeah, it will work for me at least. It's nice. So I have an average kind of review for this one. The next is the pistachio face mask, and Okay, so I've got two face masks. I'm so sorry guys. So one is the pistachio face mask and one is the dragon fruit face mask. So I'm just gonna quickly go and wash my skin with some water, warm water, and I'll come back and my skin feels good. It is soft and my skin is breathing actually. Yeah, if that's how I can put it, it's actually breathing. But since this is a first impression video, I'll try to use these products for good 1 week or 15 days to give you the exact review, but yeah, the first impression was good. Okay, next is the face mask, the dragon fruit and the pistachio. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of both of these. This one is pistachio. And the other one is dragon fruit. So I'm going to apply this wherever I'm left. Okay, I find this one better. Clearly, I can feel the texture. The texture is really good. Yeah, I find this one. And this one smells better. Okay, so I love this one. The one with dragon fruit, it has amazing texture and it smells really good as compared to the pistachio one. It doesn't have that really nice fragrance. But let's see, I'm just gonna wait till this dries up and then I'll come back to you guys. My face, I'm not sure you can see, but I can hear the difference. Like this side of my face is much better than this one. My skin is really soft and I can actually feel the difference. Like my skin is breathing and the products worked for me. So this is the kind of patch testing that I did. I'm gonna use these products for a few more days and I'll let you know if these products really worked for my skin. But till this time, I have really positive feeling that they would. So yeah, I kind of like the product. So do try and let me know if these products work for you.